Today's cell phone cameras are getting better and better. Problem is, the tiny lens. If you're too far away, too bad, you're out of luck. And when you do a digital zoom, the picture gets blurry. Now, turn your cell phone camera into a professional camera with the Eagle Zoom Lens Kit, the interchangeable clip-on camera lens for your smartphone that lets you zoom in up to 10 times with picture-perfect clarity. Simply attach the Eagle Zoom lens to the smartphone clip and attach to your phone, and you have a real zoom lens just like the professional big cameras. Our lens is high-quality optical glass housed in a lightweight aluminum body that instantly improves the quality of your photos and video. Eagle Zoom gives you a front row seat at school plays, graduations, and sporting events when you can't get up close. It adjusts to any size or type of smartphone and slips over any phone case. It even clips on tablets. When you're done, simply detach and you're back to having your slim cell phone. It even has a lens cap like the professional cameras. And check this out, your Eagle Zoom Lens Kit also includes the VR 3D lens to make your own incredible virtual reality movies that work with any viewer and any app. The stereoscopic images let you step into the action and make movies so real you'll think you were there.
Ah!
It's like nothing you've ever experienced before.
I think I'm gonna be sick!
Now, turn your smartphone camera into a professional camera and never miss a precious moment again with the Eagle Zoom Lens Kit. Order in the next 10 minutes and we'll also include the interchangeable macro lens for when you're up close. Use it to get extreme close-ups of bugs, flowers, and more. And we're still not done. You also get our 180-degree fisheye lens for wide-angle, panoramic views. Capture wraparound scenic photos or large group photos with ease. You get it all. The complete Eagle Zoom Kit with universal clip and 3 professional lenses and our incredible virtual 3D lens. This offer is not available in stores, so call or click now at buyeaglezoom.com.